Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Creative Graphics, compliment of the season. I'm greeting you guys specially. In today's tutorial, we're going to use this to wrap up this year 2025. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I created this design. So I use this particular design I saw on Pinterest to create this text effect, this crossover text effects. So I'm going to show you how I did this with generative AI. So I use Gemini and chatgpt to generate this crossover text effect. So this nasty Rolex text effect. So I use it to generate this crossover text effect. So let's move to the design process. So I'll show you guys how I created the text effect later in the tutorial. So the first thing is to create a size, which is 1080 by 1080. I'm creating a square size for a church program. So this is fine. Then I'm going to create my background, which is a gradient background. Then go to adjustment, gradient. Then we are going to use this color code. Around here, we are going to use FD0C0C. C0C, so something like this. Then we are coming around to, let's say, 25 around here. So we are going to add another color here, which is 5B0902. So it's another form of red, like ox blood. Then here we are going to make it 100%. Then change this color to 160,200. So you can see the transition between the gradients. So from one light red to dark red to a darker red. Then I'm going to change it to radial, something like this. So this is fine for me. So we are going to leave it like this. Then we are going to apply some overlay. So the first overlay is I'm going to, so these are the resources. So I'm going to use this overlay like this. So I'm going to reverse it, Ctrl T, and make it vertical. So make it at the top like this. So this is fine for me. Now I'm going to erase this text on it, then mask it, then click my eraser tool, then clean it up. Opacity, let me increase it to 100, then I'll clean it up. So this is fine for me. So I'll clean it up like this. So this is fine. Then I'll go to black and white, then click this, go to black and white, edit, image adjustment, black and white. Then I'll put it at maximum white, something like this. Then I'll blend it with my background. Then go to, I'll use color dodge. You can see it blends with the background. So I use color dodge, and this is fine for me. Then I'll add another overlay. This one, it looks like a church stage or auditorium or something like that. Then I will enlarge it. So this is fine for me. I'll bring it down a little. Then mask it. Then use gradient. Drag it there. So I only need part of the stage, not everything. So I only need something like this, and this is fine for me. So this is fine. Then I will change the blend option to screen, something like this. Then I'll add black and white to this too. Then go to image adjustment, black and white. So I'll leave it at default so you can see what is there. So this is fine. Then the third overlay. So you can see the way I'm blending my background. So it's just for visual aesthetics. Then I'll make this to be at the bottom. So this one I'll leave it like this. I'll just mask it and use a gradient tool to do something like this. So this is perfect. This is fine for me. So now I've tried to establish the background. So the next thing is to create a kind of flare. So a kind of flare, new layer, then brush stroke. So I'll set it to 900. It's 900, not too much. Let's make it 800. 800 pixels. Then you come here, select your red, which is F8 1107. Then you click. Let's click around here. So this is fine. Then you change it to screen. Then another one again. So change this one to FFDE00. So make this one smaller. It's at around, let's say, 400. That should be half of it. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Let's make it 600. Let's click below it like this. So this is fine. Then change it to screen also. So this is fine for me. So now so it's kind of a glowing background. Some part a little. So I just want this stage to show a little at the background. So this is fine. Then let's go to our text effects now. This is the main main subject now. So what I did was to Gemini AI. So then I told, these are the prompts. So these are the prompts. So I told the Gemini to create a detailed similar text. So the nasty, this pattern, I think this 3D style was created with Blender. So I saw the flyer on Pinterest. So I took interest in it. So I'll tell it to change the nasty to cross and then the rollers to over. So and this is what Gemini created for me. So it was unable to change the rollers. Z was the last this in there, so it was unable to change it. So I sent another message again, another prompt that it's not rovers, that it's rovers corrected error. I ensure it followed the seamless pattern again. But yet it was unable to correct it. Then I downloaded this one. Then I moved over to chatgpt. So I went to chatgpt because I used chatgpt initially, but it was not giving me that pattern, that curve. So it was Gemini that was giving me that curve, but it was unable to correct that rovers. So now I sent a prompt to change the rovers to over, while others remain the same. Then this was the result. Although it was not as smooth as that of Gemini, but at least it came out very fine. So this the text effect, how to change effects or copy a text style in chatgpt. or with any AI software. So you can just combine the two. Anyone that is not giving you the results, you can take it to the other software. So later I uploaded this to Adobe Express. So you can just check it on Adobe Express to remove the background. So I remove the shadow. So this is what we got here. So this is what we got. Here. So the background was removed. Then I place it to my. So I place it here. You can see. So this is fine for me. I'll make it a little bit bigger. So this is okay for me. Then I brought this ribbon. So this ribbon, this is fine. Then Ctrl T, and I flip it horizontally so it will match up with the size of this. I also want it to follow the pattern. So this is fine for me. Then I did something to make sure that the this ribbon came out through the over. So then I did what is called masking. I mask this. Then I press Ctrl and then I click on the over. Then I click the fabric. Then I click my eraser to see how this works. Then I begin to delete the outer part. So the outer part, you need to be careful. So just to make sure that it's coming out. I see the fabric is coming out of the hole. So this is perfect for me. Then go to select, deselect. Can you see? So this is perfect. You can see the effect of the over is not reflecting on the. It's not realistic. Then I did something. I created a shadow under it. So new layer. Then I pick brush, dark. Then I pick my brush to reduce the size. Then I painted below. Let me paint it. You have to paint it above the what is it called? The ribbon. Then you create a clipping mask. So you create a clipping mask. So it acts as if it's under the over. Then you go to multiply. You can reduce the opacity. So it's now acting as if the O is reflecting on the ribbon. So that's fine for me. So then again I try to reduce the intensity of this fabric of this ribbon. Then I went to hue and saturation. And ensure it's clip mask. Then I leave it at master saturation. I give saturation 16. Make sure it's well saturated. Then I reduce the light to -17. So you can see it's a little bit darker now. So this is perfect for me. Before and after. So this is fine for me. So then I proceed to adding the text. So I did something like this. I want the text to follow the same pattern. I do like this. So this is fine. So then I use my curve tools. After pen tool, then I use my curve tool. So I make sure it's curve with the pattern of this stuff. So I think this is fine. So it follows the pattern of this ribbon. Then I type my text, brought it closer. So crossover to the glorious beginning. So this is fine. Then I make it white and I reduce the size to make it bold. So I reduce the size. So let me bring it a little bit backward. I'm going to reduce it. So this is fine. Then I'll delete this. I'll hide it. Press Ctrl T. Make it a little bit bigger. So that's how to manipulate everything on the Photoshop. You can see it follows the shape. Instead of using warp, you can use this method to create your own style. So, and this is perfect for me. Then select it, Ctrl G as well. So I can adjust like that. So this is fine for me. This is fine for me. So the next thing is to add those falling images. This image that looks like frame. These frames. Next thing, I created a circle like this, a rectangle like this. Then move the edge a little bit curved. So this is fine. So the next thing is to fill in some images. Fill in some images. So I make it into 4 places. Ctrl J again. One here. Then Ctrl J again. Another one there. So then I fill the first one with those images. The first image goes in here. So what we need to do now is convert each shape to smart object. Convert to smart object. Then come in. So here you are going to add a stroke to it. Create a people. So right click, go to blend option, then stroke. I'm going to add this kind of gradient stroke. So this kind of gradient stroke. So if you don't have my gradient pack, I will drop the link in the description where you can get my gradient pack. So I took this gradient out of the pack, and I customize it. These are the colors: 3C, 38, 3C, 36, 38, 3C. Then I added white in between, so that's why I got those gradient color. So then we reduce this to 3. 3 is okay. So 3 is fine. Then I brought in this lightning. Let's click the mouse back. Then you rotate it straight. If this is fine, then you create a clipping mask with it too. Create a clipping mask. So you see if the light is at the edge, Ctrl J again. Create a clipping mask. And bring it to the other side. So that's how I did it. Then Ctrl S. Then you have it here. So this is how it is. So then we are going to warp it. But let's do the same to this one before we warp it. Move to smart object. Move to smart object. Move to smart object. So we've converted everything to smart object. Just double click. Then let's copy this. Copy layer style. Then we come here to paste layer style. So there's no need to start editing all around again. Let's carry this flare. Bring it here. And clip. It's already clipped inside. Let's use your arrow key to adjust. Let's Ctrl S. Close this. All of them are all in the same pattern. So we want it behind that crossover stuff. So we bring the crossover up, and this one is okay. Then you pick it one by one, Ctrl C. Then you use perspective to warp it. It is fine like this. So let's change all of them to screen. That will blend with the background. So we change them to screen, that's to blend with the background. Let's work on this line. So this is showing here. So this is fine. So this is fine. Then you check anywhere on this thing. So logo. Drop it around here. Then that's something like this. You can make this one standard. Then we reduce the leading. This is fine. Make sure both are aligning. Something like this. So this is fine. So you can use something to divide it. So this is fine. So again to check. This is fine. This is fine. So then we are going to add what is it called, the date and all the rest. So I'm just going to do something like this. Then go to adjustments, color balance. I'm only going to work with the shadow here. I'll make red for, let's add more red into the red, and I'll reduce yellowish to -3. Is there any effect? Yes, it's a little bit effect. So this is just about the crossover. Check this font. So this is all about the crossover. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you.